about Israel and the birth of Zionist anti-Semitism, I think, my dear Slavoj, maybe on this point, maybe you don't know enough Israel. Maybe you don't know enough Israel because probably this exists. You have stupid people everywhere. You have an extreme right everywhere, and also in Israel. You have also a great rabbi who said a few years ago that the Shoah, the Holocaust,
was the punishment.
Was the punishment for crimes committed by the most innocent people of the whole history, which were the poor Jews of Eastern Europe and so on and so on. So you have stupid guys in Israel too. And you have also, this you are right, you have a real movement which is called the Canaanean movement, people who do believe that there is no other destiny for a Jew than to be down-rooted solidly in the earth and in the race and in the blood of the ancestors, and who are against any solution, diaspora and so on, and who would say that the values of diaspora are bad values, corrupted, and so on. It is true, but I think really it is a tiny, tiny minority. And the proof of that is that Israel is the only country in the world, I don't know so many, where you have, not only in the society, but in the political debate, and not only in the political debate, but in the parliament, you have some people who are officially, whose program is anti-Zionism. You have some members of parliament who are anti-Zionism. It is as if we had in France some people, some members of parliament who were in favor of the destruction of France, in favor of the illegitimacy of France. You have that at the Knesset. You have some members of parliament who say that. You have some political parties of extreme left. You have an Arab party who do really believe that Zionism is a mistake, that the creation of Israel is a mistake. And not only they are tolerated, but they are members of the debate. And I say extreme leftist movement, and I say an Arab party, but not only. You have also, in a great part of Jerusalem, which is called Mea Shearim, which is a place vibrant of faith and of creed and of spirituality. The people there, the men in black, who are completely devoted to the Torah, to the study and so on, they don't recognize Israel. They are like the Amish in America. They do believe that Israel is a mistake, that they are here only because they are closer to the sky, but they don't recognize this state and so on. So a state which admits in its cities, in its political institution, in the core of the debate, the denial of its very essence, is a country which does not look like the caricature which was offered to you by the friends you met. So I make you a proposal, seriously, let's go together in Israel, and I will show you another face of the country.
No, but I'm okay.